Hello traders, again welcome back to a video. Today I'm going to trade with candlestick psychology. So it's Euro GBP and here the market is going down and we can see a reversal here. The market is at reversal area, so we can plot a line here. We can see some levels, but still there is a gap. So I invest only $20, but I need a good, okay, I'm going to place a put option. Okay, very good and point. We can expect the market to fill. Okay, here also I invest $20, but I think in all pairs the market is not much in good condition. I think some news effect. It's very bad market. So many dodgy candle, weak candle, and now I'm seeing very strong bullish candle. Okay, I think here directly buyers entered, but I expect the market to fill that gap. I don't know why it's okay. Now it's rejecting. You can see. The market is not much good condition. I think here we can go to the sellers because of that strong bullish candle. Here next one should be bullish, but I need a good entry. Here also need an entry. Okay, here we can go to the buyers. Here the next candle should be 90% bearish because of that very strong bullish candle. It's a sign of reversal and it's closed exactly at the level with a huge rejection. So I think why, okay, it's just closed below my entry, but again ATM, because of my late entry I got ATM here, but here we can go to the sellers. Very good and a point. Here next one here should be 90%. There is a level, but we can trade with $10 with buyers. Next one should be bullish. Most of the time next one should be bullish. Okay, I placed here a higher option. I think the market again tried to fill that gap, but there's a rejection. That's why I placed here a put option. Okay, it's rejecting now. Okay, we can see some sellers entry, and here also next one should be bullish. Even there is a level, next one should be bullish here. Okay, both are winning trade. Okay, then now if it's possible we can take trade in all these pairs in the same time, but we can see that the market is not much in good condition, but I will try, but I invest only $20 and $10 because the market is not much in good condition, so it's not much safe to invest huge amount in this kind of market. Here I think buyers again may enter because to broke that level. Very fast momentum. So in this kind of markets, better to avoid trading. Okay, if you don't have proper knowledge, better to avoid. So, okay, and okay, after this closing of the recent candle, we can take trade all in these pairs in the same time. And now it's totally 6 pairs. You can see, but little bit risky. Market is not here. We can go to the buyers. Here also we can go to the buyers. Here there is a Marubozu, sign of reversal. Here it's a strong candle, and here also we can go to the sellers because of that new low. Okay, here also we can go to the sellers. Oh, there is a level, but can be considered as a new low too. I placed here a put option because of that Marubozu candle. We can see a raw number there, so next one should be bearish. But here it may be a risky trade because closing point, but again a new low, but there is a raw number in the above, so the sellers are active there. Actually it is the actual level, we can see it is the actual level, that's why I placed here a call option, but it's a losing trade. Oh, I think 2 losses in 6 trades. Okay, no problem, losses are common, and we can cover that amount. Okay, if you got some losses, there is no need to here again seller's entry, because okay, here there is no rejection in the previous candle. Most of the time after that next one should be bullish, so here again we can go to the sellers, because there is no buyer sign. Most of the time that candle should be bullish. Okay, so there is no sign of bullish, that's why I go to the sellers here, so we can expect the market to broke that level. Okay, there is no lower rejection in this candle, that's why I placed here a put option. So 90 to 90% probability is next candle here should be bearish. You can see some strong sellers entry from the same level. Okay, and from now I don't take trade in all these pairs, I just put trade in 1 or 2 pairs, because the market is not much in good condition. So I don't want to lose money again. Only confirmed trades I am going to take from this time. Here we can go to the sellers, because of that gap down open after a breakout, and already we are seeing sellers entry. Even there is an engulfing candle, next one here should be definitely bearish, that's why I placed here a put option. Okay, that's the most probability. Okay, next one should be bearish, that's why I placed here a put option. That's the psychology of this level, and we already saw sellers entry previously, and again a bullish candle. The candle is powerful, but we know that it's a sellers area, but I think why it's don't. Okay, you can see finally made a very weak bearish candle, but if you know about the right thing about the candlestick psychology, maybe at the last minute your prediction will be correct. Okay, but we don't trade without the proper knowledge in the binary option. So here now we are seeing very weak sellers entry. There is a raw number also, so it's a 50% probability level. Actually maybe bullish may again enter because of that raw number, or because of that seller saying it may go down. I expect again a red candle here. Even there is a weak candle, next one also should be bearish. I expect like that, but I don't trade, because this in this kind of situation we can expect opposite color too, in sometime very weak opposite color candle. Okay, again we can see some strong bullish entry after that. Okay, I think the market want to go more. Here we can go to the sellers, because again a gap down open, there is no up rejection also, but next one here should be bearish, that's the most probability. Here also it's better to place a put option with some margin of safety. Here you can see some strong sellers entry, it's going down again and again without respecting any level. You can see some strong movement of sellers. The market is totally moving up, downward. So it broke that level very strongly, that candle, and okay, you can see here the buyers cannot make a strong candle suddenly. That's why I placed here a put option with some margin of safety. Okay, you can see now we are seeing a gravestone doji in the resistance area. Okay, or inverted dragonfly doji. So you can see some sellers entry, but after sellers entry I am seeing a doji here, means it indicate no the sellers want to go more down. Here it indicate there is no sign of sellers. Okay, so many people telling that if you seeing a gravestone doji in the resistance level, just place put option, something like that. Actually there is no logic. We need to consider the trend, but the movement of the buyers and sellers, and something more. Okay, don't place put option if you see these kind of doji in the resistance. Okay, so it's a there is no logic. If you do like that, your capital may lose. If you place put option, just wait, you can see we know that's resistance. In resistance we are seeing a dragonfly doji. Okay, so many people telling that if you see a dragonfly doji in the resistance, just place call option. Okay, then what will be here? We will lose our capital. So it's not the working principles of that. Okay, we can do I mean there are something more that we need to consider. Here it indicate that here the dragonfly doji indicate that there is no sign of bias and not I mean the bias are exhausted there. That's why after that we are seeing some sellers entry from this level. Okay, so and also many people considering this candle like a Marubozu candle. Just wait, I'll show it. You can see a candle here in the mouse point. Okay, many people considering this like I mean they're treating this candle as a Marubozu candle. Actually this candle is not a Marubozu candle. We can see a lower wick. Okay, there is a wick in the bottom. Actually it is the exact Marubozu. It also known as clean shaved candle. In Marubozu no upper wick and also no lower wick. Many teachers, I mean many mentors are also treating this candle like Marubozu. I don't know, maybe they don't have the knowledge to at least to identify that candle. Okay, the candle identification is must in binary option. If we saw a candle in the chart, we must have the proper knowledge which candle, what kind of candle is that. Okay, only otherwise we cannot be a successful trader. Okay, we need the proper ideas about the candle, otherwise we cannot make any money from the binary option. It's not a Marubozu, its name is called the shaman candle. If you see any tail in the bottom or top, it's called the shaman candle. In we can see only one side wick in shaman candle, it may be in top or bottom. Okay, here also it's a bearish shaman candle, here also it's a bearish shaman candle. Okay, it's not a Marubozu candle. Marubozu means there is no upper wick and there is no lower wick. Here also it's called shaman candle. Here these two are Marubozu because there is no wick, but it's called shaman candle. This also a shaman candle. It's a Marubozu candle. Okay, so we need proper identification. It's also a shaman candle. So we need some skill to identify the candles when we are trading. Here now we can see a shaman candle with some strong selling pressure, but again bias entry, we are seeing some bias entry. Even there is a level, I expect next one here should be bearish, so I placed here a put option. I expect the market to go more down. Okay, here we can see a doji level, but that candle will easily broke that level. You can see some strong sellers entry now, very strong, so it don't going to respect that level. Here we can see some levels, here also some levels. You can see it's the next possible reversal. That's why now we are getting some rejection from the same level. Okay, from the same level we can see some rejections now. So here the candle should be bearish. It's a doji. Okay, now I am seeing a doji candle which indicate that here there is no sign of sellers. That's why now I am seeing a doji candle. You can see suddenly the buyers are entered. So here the present candle should be bullish. Okay, it should be bullish. There is no sign of sellers. That's why now I am seeing a doji. So the present candle should be bullish. After this we can take trade. After the closing of this candle, present bullish candle, we can take trade. So if you see a doji, it indicates that it's an indecision in the market. Both the buyers are sellers are indecision. That's why the market making doji candles. If you trade in the 5 minute, you can't maybe just wait. After this, we can here now I'm seeing a strong rejection, but here it indicate the buyer's pressure. That wick indicate buying pressure, so we can go to the buyers again. I placed here a call option because now we can see a wick here. Still there is a very long gap, so we can expect the market to fill that gap. That's why I placed here a call option. It indicates buying pressure, not seller's rejection here. Definitely the present candle should be bullish. I don't know why it's going again down. I think some news effect. Otherwise, the most probability for the present candle here should be bullish. That's 90 to 95% trading setup. But I don't know. I think because of some news effect, normally it's not happened in the normal market. Because now the buyers changed their entry point. You can see some rejection. Okay. Oh, finally it's broke again. Here what indicate there is no sign of buyers. That's why now I'm seeing again a doji. But in this kind of situation, if you see doji like this, must try to predict the next candle with some margin of safety. So here the next one should be bearish, but I need a good entry. Okay, here we can see the buyers and sellers are trying. So here we can go to the sellers. Okay, here I got a very small margin of safety. But if you see a doji candle, always try to predict the next candle with some margin of safety, because I already told that the doji indicate an indecision in the market. Okay, so if you see a doji candle, again maybe the next candle may also doji. We can expect, or maybe some weak candle. So if you see a doji, must keep a margin of safety in the next candle. Can see some sellers entry. That's how we are trading in the doji. It's very simple to trade in the doji. Okay, anyone can trade if you get the clear idea about the candlestick psychology. So many people treating the doji like rocket science, something like that. Actually, there is no logic. Anyone can trade in the doji if you have the clear idea about the market and clear idea about the candlestick psychology. You can easily predict the next candle. Anyway, I don't take trade more. I'm going to close this video, and if you are interested, you can join our Telegram channel, and here it was the result of this section. So we will update everything in our Telegram channel. So also everyday result we will update. You can watch it from our Telegram channel. And today I think in this section I took 20 trades for more than 20, something like that, and it was the result. So I'm going to close this video. All of you again wish you good profit.